In this workout, we're going to be doing a 4-note sequence over a little pentatonic scale, so that when you're jamming over some backing tracks, you can shuffle those notes up a little bit and add some more variety, so it doesn't just sound like you're playing a scale. In the last finger dexterity workout, we did a 3-note sequence over a pentatonic scale, and I explained what a sequence was and showed you an example, so if you're not sure what a sequence is, go check out that video and then do that exercise and then come back here. But here's what we're going to do in this exercise. Our first goal is to be able to do this. 2, 3, 4. And here's the pattern. I'm starting on the first note of our pentatonic scale, and I'm going up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go to the second note, and I go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I've run out of notes, so I'm going to end on this note, which is going to create a little bit of anticipation. It's like it's asking a question. Then we're going to do that again, starting on the lowest note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second note. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to end on this note, which is the harmonic center of the scale, so it's going to sound like it's done. And it's almost like it's answering the question that we asked. So we do that at 60 beats per minute and work our way up to 120. Then after that, we would try and do this. And here's that pattern. We start on the highest note of the scale and work our way down 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we start on the second to highest note of the scale and work our way down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to end on this note, which is going to set up that anticipation again. Then we do it again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we hit this note, which is going to resolve that anticipation. Then, once we've worked our way up to 120 beats per minute doing that, we'll go back down to 60 beats per minute and try and put them together. So it sounds like this. So right there, I went forward through the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I ended up on this note to set the anticipation. Then I went to here and went backwards through the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ended on this note to resolve the anticipation. We'll do that at 60 beats per minute and work our way up to 120. And then after that, it will be mastered and you can try it over some backing tracks. All right, enough yammering. Let's start at 60 beats per minute, going forwards through the sequence twice. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. All right, just a couple more. Here's 110. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4. All right, here's 120. Ready, go. Now we're going back down to 60 beats per minute, and we're going to go backwards through the sequence 2 times. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 2, beats per minute. Ready, go. Ready, go. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. Ready, go. Here's 100. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, here's 110. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, here's 120. Ready, go. Nice work. We're going back down to 60 beats per minute for the last time. We're going to put them together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. "70 beats per minute. Ready, go. Ready, go. Here's 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. Ready, go. "90 beats per minute. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, here's 100. Ready, go. Ready, go. Just a couple more. Here's 110. Ready, go. Ready, go. Last one. Here's 120. Ready, go. Ready, go. Did you do it? Did you make it? I hope you did. If you're feeling pretty cozy doing that, then go try it over some backing tracks. You know, every time you choose a different genre of a backing track, it's going to make this thing sound different. It's going to breathe new life into it. So go try out a bunch. I've got a few on the channel that are a few different genres that will definitely work with this, so you don't have to do any guessing. But if you wanted to try out some other types of backing tracks by other channels, there's some good ones out there. If you just search backing track in G major, or if you search backing track in E minor, and just make sure it says G major or E minor, it'll work with this. So go out there, have fun, see if you can come up with something that sounds cool, something that sounds like music. And you know, you don't have to just practice, you can experiment and just mess around. It's a little more interesting. And hey, help out your local guitar teacher today and press some buttons. There's a button right here. There's a button right here. There's buttons below, except you don't need to press the dislike one. That one, we can just forget about that one. But all these other buttons, they're just dying to be pressed, and it's gonna help me out tremendously. So if you wanna help me out, press those buttons. But if you hate me, then don't press them,